Hello beautiful people out there. Today's light language theme is open up to abundance. Ta-da! We all deserve abundance, and you may have walking around with blocks in your chakras and energy systems for years that prevents you from attract abundance. So I'm going to clean all of your chakras and your aura. So whatever you're ready to let go of, come out today. And afterwards, I'm going to put super good, attractive energies into your system so you can attract abundance wherever you go. I start by cleaning your root chakra. Iprat et frumpra simba. Bunkra et utsit kurut it frat et brumpart. Brit frat brit grint kurikrat kuruket pram prat vidiparas karaprit apram purupip daptapram. And I'm cleaning your chakra. Brit brak bitis kabrak skin gripus kubrin katskat beginning tas kurit et kurit but skatas kurit getting kurit it what about getting it you could have in good eat getting it. Now I'm cleaning your solar plexus. It could get sick at skid good good eat at for the kids good getting a second own gain and send an ekin an in Karakaska in own insakaka in one again. Now I'm going to clean your heart chakra. Zoom it's a saying so good exceeding a saga to sick to get sick ungain or it's gonna in on the second and a great get. And I'm cleaning your throat chakra. Sing as a sing as you could sing it as a candy getting as you could getting Scattergatting and Tugadan, and as I go singing, soon singing, and getting English getting singing, and I'm going to clean your third eye. Getting Now I'm going to clean your crown chakra. And I'm going to clean your aura. Take a deep breath and calm your body. Now I'm going to channel abundance energies for your root chakra. Suprat idfrat purumparam simpio chuarea. Urikit sikrokurat sindua. Idfrat id paramparakrat it un in im. Inkrat et sun krut at fred ududit at sin krut it paran. Purumbada sagargura. Idprakata sagarikukum. Ida karakasakering dura sakat, id prat et frat at orumba, ida krat at sukrut it at from. And notice your feet. Grow roots into the earth so you're grounded with your abundance. Groot at sit fruit imbad, groot at frit at emborum, dida kara et supreme prat et fruit, sit kret ut at sakran at et kinkun in krat sakorkara. Imbara parakarastikure dietiam. Ida parakarakarisora kit utifrat itutumpat dita korasukurikin tua. And now I'm filling your chakra with beautiful abundance energy. And the chakra is where you create joy and happiness. So create abundance. There is no limitations at all. You deserve it all. Brood frit tumbar dood it pret it undin. Groot at frat en sumbar door. Idgrat et on impara et ot sin anin ur uparat et ot krut at set kret ot brim parte pero bum barate te tutu huda sanna lelololomba lura sakati undur sia ira kota soparat et orfia hur it apumbara in bumba asarikwa. And I'm going to fill your solar plexus with abundance energies. Hura brat ifruriam. Ura brida brum. Grod asambara at it odesira kurada et sura sarakari it oreya. Ura krod it frir brumbara dodeya. Ida grod sit grod it in ara min oriyat. It brat it a kurasit it on an it ori eruar. Ur ut it frat burut it krat it uidim bara dora sirkira karasar utcha kutakun utcha karakachin urichit utchap achenjua setechu papachinta. And now I'm going to fill your heart chakra with abundance energies. All spraskurantia. Orberit sprat sprons. Brikrat fred sumbardit jorts. Kit skurat kide combats. Gurgut sikya kan tuat bravrin an afraid otsum. Hida kata ondas. Gurigit sata kata chin supada kata tito so kochecho. Eat sprat kurutrin sefrat fruit simp at brua. Gurigitsa kata tune kide kotche korokorotos. Kikya kianya ucha fixia chunyan uchura sakekwa. Eat brat so kotien. Hura hara at a fida sarakan in an anchimcha. Judakarakatiki etats kurgatikin juasia. Sia. Shup. Ura pat kreida furisanda da sarkoshi, sida karachi jumbara da duati da sarakarikurushurua. And now I'm going to fill your throat chakra with abundance energies. Huda juju kwasiara dia. Uri jua tiendura sarakiara ora sirakiara ora. Ud parade finandora karada sana ure parade dia. Hud da sananua. Hida tua sakia. Sika kakanjo sua. Kira karafrat it in ara kira kasuasia. Itta dura sat in ara diwa. Ud kir ara frand at fruit it simbara datatja. Uda sirakat at fred it in chuasia. Akrit ut et paran at fred. Sinana nanumbata eror kura. Ida para pasaki kidat satjun sakekechua. And I'm going to fill your third eye with abundance energies. Super paratikuya, shua sima papapatin da sakokia sia chuchia. Tukutuku chikichim, tupapapapakia. Good sakiti shua. Put a sakiti dua. What a sakiti dum. Super papakaka. Super paki. Super papakukua. Ida parakara ida dukusakurakan the tira. Tutukutikis dum. Home. Now I'm going to fill your crown chakra with abundance energies. And just have the intention to take all the light and all the good stuff in you're ready for. And you deserve it all. Super papakukia setia. Super kikia suasinda. Supikia sua sida karakara chua seti chuche timbara karasarakia so it fiatinua. Urikita kosakua. Urikit sambadas. Kiera foro sido nido no mama kua. Kuka sukia. Uka sukua. Ida karakara sakiada sakarakin ur it frat it bomba kakua. Ida kurakita sekekua. Ida karakara serkutida karakasina. Tutus kudusikia. Ura para karakasia. Bapapakia. Wa. And now I'm going to fill your aura with abundance energies. Uda kata sit urfinda bara sokia nuania. Uda para kat at sin ur it in aram. Uda kat sin ur bido bara kuda at sit hit ur im an in uram. Kuda para kata sit at timbara sa. Uda sida nia nuan nia kasikya. Uda para sakan. Hira para kata siwa sin. Super papakana nia no but muda da kata dikinu kuda at sit bua. Usitu at sakakuam bada it frat et tumba senia. Uda kata sit chupa papakakia. And that was the light language I have for you today. And may you all have a nice day, and bye for now.